how to turn on or turn off messages, mentions, notify me on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings, and in settings, make sure you are back at the settings page. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Next, scroll down, then tap on messages. And in here, we scroll down and then go to the mentions section and tap on notify me. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here it said, when this is on, you will be notified when your name is mentioned, even if conversations are muted. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.